hour. Ay, ay, ay. In the lab or in the class, we make ideas that last. Logic sharp and so are we. Learning strong, setting knowledge free. From algebra to chemistry flame, every topic we play the game. Confidence grows minute by minute. Shark an hour, yeah, we're in it. No stress, just progress. We push limits, nothing less. Every challenge, every test, we rise higher than the rest. Shark an hour, now take the stage. Learning's cool, it's the new age. Solve, create, don't ever cower. Keep on shining, shark an hour. Shark an hour, yeah, we rise and grind. Unlocking the secrets of the mind. Count, solve, feel that spark. We're shining bright, we're leaving our mark. Let's think, explore, and empower. SHARK, yeah, we are. Yeah, we got that brainy power. We grow, we glow. Oh yeah. Yeah, we're back in the zone. Grab your pen, switch your phone. Knowledge calling, can't ignore. It's sharking hour, let's explore. It's not just math, it's mind in motion. Ideas flow like waves in the ocean. From numbers to science, we go deep. Dreams to chase, goals to keep. Every question's like a code to crack. Think it through, don't turn back. We don't quit, we learn with power. This is our time, shark an hour. Shark an hour, yeah, we rise and grind. Unlocking the secrets of the mind. Count, solve, feel that spark. We're shining bright, we're leaving our mark. Let's think, explore, and empower. Welcome to Shark an hour. Ay, ay, ay. In the lab or in the class, we make ideas that last. Logic sharp and so are we. Learning strong, setting knowledge free. From algebra to chemistry flame, every topic we play the game. Confidence grows minute by minute. Shark an hour, yeah, we're in it. No stress, just progress. We push limits, nothing less. Every challenge, every test, we rise higher than the rest. Shark an hour, now take the stage. Learning's cool, it's the new age. Solve, create, don't ever cower. Keep on shining, shark an hour. Shark an hour, yeah, we rise and grind. Unlocking the secrets of the mind. Count, solve, feel that spark. We're shining bright, we're leaving our mark. Let's think, explore, and empower. SHARK.
It's time to learn. Grab your books, it's your turn. Numbers, dance, and questions. Power, get ready. It's sharking hour.
Sparkles in the air, we
World of learning, bright and new, we solve with joy.
All right. Hello, hello, hello. Greetings to you and greetings to everyone. And welcome to Shark an Hour. I'm glad you decided to join today's stream. And my name is Samuel, and I'll be your quiz guide, quiz master, or your teacher for today. All right. So, guys, yesterday we had a wonderful session where we had some amazing students joining the live stream, and then we did look at some problems. We did look at some problems. So today we want to look at other problems as well. We'll continue what we did yesterday. All right. So let's quickly start. Let's start with the first question we have for today, and then we can proceed with the rest. Okay. So guys, if you're watching and you want to engage with me, please just type in the live chat and I will reply. If I write a question on the board and you know the answer, just comment the right answer in the live chat. So if it is option A, just write option A. If it is option B, just write option B, and I will do the needful and tell you whether you are right or whether you are wrong. Are you okay? But don't worry, we are here to learn, so no one is going to shame you. We only study together, so you get to learn something new. All right, amazing. So let's proceed with the first question we have for today. A very simple but interesting and tricky question. So over here, we have the first question for today. Given that 4x over 5 plus 2y is equal to negative 2 over 3 plus 6y over 5. You have to find the value of x plus y. So we have here possible option A, minus 5 on 6. Option B, we have minus 4 on 7. Option C, we have 3 on 5. And then the last option, option D, we have 5 on 6. Are you okay? So guys, this is the question that we have. We've been asked that given that 4x over 5 plus 2y is equal to negative 2 over 3 plus 6y over 4. We have to find the value of x plus y. This is the question that we have. And now here are our possible options. We have option A, negative 5 on 6. Option B, negative 4 on 7. Option C, 3 on 5. And then option D, 5 on 6. Are we okay? So until we have a live audience interacting with me, I will be solving the question. Are you okay? But if you're watching and you know the answer, please just write it in the live chat. All right, Lo-Fi Music has joined. So Lo-Fi Music, hi. Thanks so much for joining. You joined yesterday as well, so a big shout out to you and the people from Spain. Are you okay? All right. So I also sent you the link to the WhatsApp yesterday, so please look at it and join the chat. Let's communicate from there. All right, so Lo-Fi Music, what do you have for me? Try your hands on this question and let me see what you have for me as the answer. Okay, so whilst Lo-Fi Music is trying to try his hands on it, let's look at the solution together. Let's look at the solution to this problem together. Please, if you still know the answer or you are still calculating, when you are done, do not hold the answer to yourself. Just leave it in the live chat. So over here we have 4x over 5 plus 2y is equal to minus 2 on 3 plus 6y over 5. Are we okay? Now we've been asked to find x plus y. So the first thing we have to do over here is to try to simplify the equation and have it in a linear form. Then we can look at how we will group x and y together at one place and they will be adding each other, and then we look at what we have. So from here I can see that I have 5, 3 and 5 as the denominators of the fractions here. So between 3 and 5, my LCM here will be 15. So I'll use 15 to multiply each term of this particular equation. So over here I'll have 15 multiplied by 4x over 5 plus 15 multiplied by 2y, and this will be equal to 15 multiplied by negative 2 on 3 plus 15 multiplied by 6y over 5. Are we okay? So from here, the 5 will go into the 15 3 times. That 3 multiplied by 4 will give us 12x plus 15 multiplied by 2y. This is going to give us 30y, and this will be equal to, over here, the 3 here will go into the 15 5 times. 5 multiplied by -2 will give us -10, plus the 5 here will go into the 15 over here 3 times. 3 multiplied by 6, that's going to give us 18y. Are we okay? So far, this is what we have. And Lo-Fi Music is saying he has option A as the answer. All right, so Lo-Fi Music is saying option A. Let's look at it. Okay, so over here we have I can see y on the right hand side, so I'll move it to the left hand side. So I'll have 12x here plus 30y, then the 18y on the left hand side, I'll move it to the right hand side, so it will become minus 18y, and this will be equal to minus 10. So from here, I still have my 12x, but I have here 30y minus 18y. So 30y minus 18y, that is going to give me 12y. So I have here 12y, and this is equal to minus 10. Are we okay? So from here, we are to find x plus y. Are you okay? That is what the question is saying. So I'll factor out 12 here because 12 is common. So I have here 12 into bracket x plus y, and that will be equal to -10. So from here, I can divide both sides by 12. Okay, so my value for x plus y will be equal to, between 10 and 12, obviously 2 can divide that. So when 2 goes into both, we'll get -5 on 6 as our answer. So therefore, option A is the correct answer. And Lo-Fi Music, please, you are right. 100%. You are right. Very good. Excellent. I hope we understood how I solved the problem. But if you don't understand, please let me know in the live chat and I will go over again. All right, so let's look at the next question. We have to solve the inequality. Solve the inequality 1 minus x over 4 minus 2x on 8 is greater than 3 over 2. So this is the problem that we have. So we have here option A, x is greater than 5 on 2. Option B, x is less than 5 on 2. Option C, x is greater than -5 on 2. Then option D, x is less than -5 on 2. All right, so this is the next problem that we have. Please, let's give it a try. Like I said, if you're watching and you're also solving, please engage with me in the live chat by solving the problem and leaving your answer in the live chat. If you think you cannot do that, just guess. Are you okay? Guess. If you guess, we only have 4 possible options. You have at least 25% chance of getting it right. Are you okay? You can never be wrong. It's not 100% wrong. You have 25% chance of making it. Are you okay? All right. Lo-Fi Music, do you have anything for me? So guys, if you're watching, this is the problem that we have on the board. Please, let's give it a go. So whilst we wait for Lo-Fi Music to comment his answer in the live chat, we'll give him 1 more minute and then we will solve it together. All right, so guys, let's have a look at the solution to this problem. If you're also still solving, please, you can leave your answer in the live chat, like I said. So let's look at the solution to this particular problem. So over here, I have, okay, Lo-Fi Music is saying option D. Okay, so Lo-Fi Music is saying D. let's have a look at it. So I have here 1 minus x on 4 minus 2x on 8 is greater than 3 on 2. All right, over here, when I look at the fractions that are involved, the denominators, I have 4, 8, and 2. Between 4, 8, and 2, the LCM over here is going to be 8. So I'll use 8 to multiply all the terms that I have in this particular equation. So I'll have here 8 multiplied by 1 minus x on 4, then minus 8 multiplied by 2x over 8, and this will be greater than 8 multiplied by 3 on 2. So from here, the 4 will go into the 8 2 times. So we'll now have that 2 multiplying 1 minus x over here. Then minus the 8 will nullify this. So we'll just have 2x over here. And the 4 will go into the 8. 2 will go into the 8 4 times. That 4 multiplied by 3, that is going to give us 12. All right, so from here, we just expand this bracket. 2 multiplied by 1 will give me 2. 2 multiplied by negative x will give me negative 2x. Then minus 2x is greater than 12. So from here, I have 2 minus 4x is greater than 12. So from here, I'll leave my negative 4x over here greater than, then I have 12 here. The positive 2 I have over here, I'll send it to the other side of the equal to sign. It becomes minus 2. So minus 4x over here is greater than, over here we'll get 10. So I divide both sides by minus 4, this will cancel this. And because we have divided through by negative, the sign will change from greater than to less than. And over here, when we simplify, we'll get 5 on 2. Don't forget the negative over here. So it will be here. So therefore, the correct answer here is option D, as rightly said by Lo-Fi Music. All right, great, awesome. Let's have a look at the next question. It's going to be a little bit complicated and bulky. So here we are to solve. Then we have 2 over 3 into bracket x minus 1 bracket close greater than 1 over 2 into bracket 1 minus 2x plus 1 over 2. Okay, so this is the problem that we are supposed to solve. Then we have our possible options. Option A, x is greater than 10. Option B, x is greater than 1. Option C, x is greater than negative 1. And then option D, x is greater than negative 10. All right, so guys, this is the next question we have. Let's give it a try. Okay, so I think Lo-Fi Music is still solving. But in the meantime, let's do it together. When he joins, then when he's done, he will leave the answer in the live chat. All right. So let's have a look at the solution for this particular problem. So we have here 2 over 3 into bracket x minus 1 greater than 1 over 2 into bracket 1 minus 2x plus 1 over 2. Okay, so when we are solving this problem, we first need to get rid of the fractions that we have in this particular inequality. So to do that, we look at the denominators of the fractions that we have. Over here, we have 2 over 3. Here we have 1 over 2. Here we have 1 over 2. So Lo-Fi Music is saying option B. All right, so let's have a look at it. He is saying B. Let's have a look at it. So between 3 and 2, the LCM is obviously 6. So we use 6 to multiply through. So we'll have the 6 multiplied by 2 over 3 into bracket x minus 1 greater than 6 multiplied by 1 over 2 into bracket 1 minus 2x, then plus 6 multiplied by 1 over 2. So from here, the 3 will go into the 6 2 times. That 2 multiply the 2 on top over here, it becomes 4. Then into bracket x minus 1 greater than the 2 here will go into the 6 here 3 times. That 3 multiplied by 1 is still 3. So we'll have here 3 into bracket 1 minus 2x. Then plus the 2 here will go into the 6 3 times. And then 3 multiplied by 1 is still 3. Alright, so from here we just expand the brackets that we have over here. So 4 multiplied by 1x will give me 4x. 4 multiplied by negative 1 will give me negative 4. This will be greater than 3 multiplied by 1 will give me 3. Then minus 3 multiplied by 2x will give me 6x. Then this will be plus 3. Okay, so from here I'll have here 4x. Then I'll send the negative 6x over here to the left hand side. It becomes plus 6x greater than, I have this first 3 here plus the second 3 over here. Then the negative 4 I have over here, I send it to the other side of the equal to sign. That becomes plus 4. So from here, I will have 4x plus 6x. That will give me 10x is greater than 3 plus 3 is 6 plus 4. That is also 10. So we have 10 over here. So we'll divide both sides by 10, both sides by 10. This will nullify this. So the x is now greater than 10 divided by 10, that is 1. And so therefore the correct answer is option B, as rightly said by Lo-Fi Music. So Lo-Fi Music is currently on a 100% win streak. Okay, he's not getting any problem wrong, and that is really amazing. Lo-Fi Music, a big shout out to you. All right, so let's have a look at another question, a little bit slightly tricky, but I'm sure everyone will get it. So here we have if 2 over 3 plus 2 over b is equal to 1 over c, and c is equal to 3 whole number 3 over 4, we are to find the value of b. Find the value of b. Are we okay? So we have here option A, 15, option B, 2 whole number 1 over 7, option C, 4 over 5, and then option D, minus 5. All right, so guys, this is the next question that we have. We have if 2 over 3 plus 2 over b is equal to 1 over c, and c is equal to 3 whole number 3 over 4, we have to find the value of b. Are we okay? So we have the possible options. A is equal to 15, b is equal to 2 whole number apologies, b is equal to 2 whole number 1 over 7, c is equal to 4 over 5, and then the last one, d, is equal to negative 5. Are we okay? All right, so guys, if you're watching, please give us the answer in the live chat, as Lo-Fi Music is also doing. All right, so we'll give Lo-Fi Music 2 minutes to solve the problem, and we are giving everyone also watching 2 minutes to attempt this question and give us the answer in the live chat below. Anyone with an answer for us? Okay. All right. So let's start looking at the solution to the problem whilst we wait for the answers in the live chat. So we write down our solution over here. We have 2 over 3 plus 2 over b is equal to 1 over c. And we're told that the value of c is equal to 3 whole number 3 over 4. So if we convert c to improper fraction, 3 multiplied by 4, that is going to give us 12. 12 plus 3, that is 15 over 4. Are we okay? So everything here can be rewritten as 2 over 3 plus 2 over b is equal to 1 over 15 over 4. Okay, which when we rewrite all this, 1 over 15 over 4, you just flip the fraction at the denominator, so it will become 2 over 3 plus 2 over b is equal to 4 at the top over here over 15. Are we okay? So this is now what we have. So from here we just quickly solve for our problem. So I'll send a 2b. I'll maintain the 2b here and send 2 over 3 to the right hand side. So I'll have here 2 over b will be equal to 4 over 15, then minus 2 over 3. Are we okay? Now, between 15 and 3, the LCM is obviously 15. So let me erase this guy. The LCM is obviously 15. 15 will go into 15 once. That 1 multiplied by the 4 at the top over here. Then minus 3 will go into 15 5 times. That 5 multiplied by the 2 over here. And that is equal to the 2b over here. Are we okay? It's still the same thing. Even though I interchanged their position because it's an equation. All right, so here, or just to be on the, but I'm sure we get it. So yes. So 1 multiplied by 4 is 4 minus 5 multiplied by 2. This is going to give us 10 over 15. And this is equal to 2 over b. So 4 minus 10, that will give us negative 6. Are we okay? So I will erase the first part over here. Then we'll continue over there. All right, so over here, 4 minus 10, that will give us negative 6. So we'll have negative 6 over 15 is equal to 2 over b. So if I cross multiply, I'll get negative 6b is equal to 2 multiplied by 15, which is negative 6b is equal to 30. And so therefore our answer in this particular case will be, let me use the top over here, b will be equal to 30 divided by -6. So therefore b will be equal to 6 will go into 35 times, so we'll have -5 as the value of b. Okay, right. So yes, the correct answer here is option D. So Lo-Fi Music is saying he didn't know how to do it, but thanks for the explanation. Oh, okay, you're welcome. So please, this is how we solve it, and I hope you understand. Are you okay? I hope the explanation makes sense. And if I give a question similar to it, you can do it. It's very easy. First of all, you just need to change the c over here into improper fraction, put it in place of the c over here, and then now go and solve for the value of b. Are we okay? Excellent, excellent. All right, so here let's have a look at another simple question. A very simple question. So we have if one whole number 1 over 2 over 2 whole number 2 over 3 is equal to x over 96, you have to find the value of x. Are we okay? So we have here option A is 42, option B is 45, option C is 54, then option D 64. Okay. Lo-Fi Music, I think your name is Paul, so yes, but I think I believe you can solve this one, right? You just need to change the one whole number 1 over 2 into improper fraction, the same as the denominator 2 whole number 2 over 3 into improper fraction. Then you do reciprocation, and then you solve for the value of x. Right, so I'll still give 2 minutes. Let's solve this. After 2 minutes, then we look at it together. All right, Alvin, thanks for joining. I was waiting for you. All right, so Alvin is saying option C, which is 54. Okay, let's see. We have 1 minute more. Let's see what Lo-Fi Music has for us. Okay, so let's have a look at the solution to this problem. Lo-Fi Music is also saying option C. All right, very good. So both our viewers are saying option C. So let's have a look at it. Here I have one whole number 1 over 2. So if I convert that, 1 multiplied by 2 will give me 2, plus the 1 on top, that will give me 3. So I'll have 3 over 2 all over 2 multiplied by 3, that will give me 6. 6 plus 2, that will give me 8. So I'll have here 8 over 3 here, and this will be equal to x over 96. Now, the expression I have over here, I can rewrite it as 3 over 2 divided by 8 over 3, and this is equal to x over 96. Now, to change the division sign to multiplication, I need to reciprocate the 8 over 3. So I will have here 3 over 2 multiplied by 3 over 8, and this will be equal to x over 96. Are we okay? So from here, we can proceed to do our multiplication and find our answer. So 3 multiplied by 3, that will give me 9. and then 2 multiplied by, just a minute. So now we have 2 multiplied by 8. So 2 multiplied by 8, that will give us 16. And this will be equal to x over 96. So from here, if we cross multiply, we'll have 16x will be equal to 9 multiplied by 96. We divide both sides by 16. Divide both sides by 16. So x will be equal to, we have 9 multiplied by 96 all on 16. And this will give us 54 as our answer. So yes, the correct answer is option C, as rightly said by both Alvin and Lo-Fi Music. All right, so Lo-Fi Music is saying I have to go, so have a good day and see you tomorrow. You are a super nice guy. Oh, Lo-Fi Music, thank you so much. Thank you so much for joining. Thank you so much for staying with me up until now. Thank you so much for answering the questions, and I'll see you tomorrow, same time, 7 p.m. GMT. Okay, ciao to you. All right, so Alvin, let's continue with our questions. So Alvin, at this point, I don't think I need to be giving you multiple choice answers because you can solve them. So here, solve this for me. Question number 1, solve y plus 1 over 2 is minus 2y minus 1 over 3 is equal to 4. Okay, so this is the next question. I will not give you any possible options. Please, what is the value of y? Okay, find the value of y. Alvin, are you still with me? Okay, let me just give the possible options. So we have option A, y is equal to 29. All right, Alvin is saying, okay, so let's quickly have a look at it. Awesome. So let's write down the solution to our problem. So we have here y plus 1 on 2 minus 2y minus 1 on 3, and this is equal to 4. So we have 2 and 3 as the LCM over here at this side. So we will multiply through by the LCM, which is going to be 6 in this case. So we have 6 multiplied by y plus 1 on 2 minus 6 multiplied by 2y minus 1 on 3. And this will be equal to 6 multiplied by 4. So over here, 2 will nullify or go into the 6 3 times. So we'll have that 3 into bracket y plus 1. Then minus x will go into, 3 will go into 6 2 times. So we'll have 2 into bracket 2y minus 1. And this will be equal to 6 multiplied by 4. That will give us 24. All right. So from here, we have 3 multiplied by y will give us 3y plus 3 multiplied by 1 will give us 3. Then minus 2 multiplied by 2y will give us minus 4y. Then minus 2 multiplied by minus 1 will give us plus 2. And this will be equal to 24. So over here, I have 3y minus 4y. This will give me negative y. Then 3 plus 2 will give me 5. And this is equal to 24. So my negative y will be equal to 24 minus 5. So negative y will be equal to this will give me 19. 24 minus 5 will give me 19. I divide both sides by negative 1. so that I have just y. So therefore, y will be equal to minus 19, as rightly said by Alvin in the comment. All right, so Alvin, you are awesome, you are amazing, and you have this right as well. Okay, so let's have a look at another question. Then from there, we'll move to subjective questions, which are going to be a little bit complicated. All right, so here we are to solve 1 over 3 into bracket 5 minus 3x less than 2 over 5 into bracket 3 minus 7x. All right, so this is the problem we have. We have the possible options here. Let me give the possible options in this case. So we have option A, x is less than negative 7 on 27. Option B, x is greater than negative 7 on 27. Option C, x is less than 7 on 22. Then option D, x is greater than 7 on 22. All right, so this is the next question I have. And what is our answer? Guys, we have 2 minutes. Let's try our hands on this particular question. Okay. All right, so Alvin is saying option B. Very good. Let's have a look at the solution to the problem. Let's see if Alvin is right or not. All right, so over here we have 1 on 3, 5 minus 3x, then 2 over 5, 3 minus 7x. So over here, what I have common, I have 3 and 5, so my LCM here is going to be 15. So I use 15 to multiply 1 over 3 into bracket 5 minus 3x less than 15 multiplied by 2 over 5 into bracket 3 minus 7x. So over here, the 3 will go into the 15 5 times. That 5 multiplied by 1 is still 5. So that 5 will now multiply everything in the bracket over here, which is 5 minus 3x. Then we have less than. The 5 here will go into 15 3 times. That 3 multiplied by 2 will give us 6. Then into brackets 3 minus 7x over here. So from here, we expand the bracket. 5 multiplied by 5, that will give me 25. Minus 5 multiplied by 3, that will give me 15x. Then I have 6 multiplied by 3, that will give me 18. So I'll have here 18 minus 6 multiplied by 7. 6 multiplied by 7x, that will give me 42x over here. Are we okay? So from here, I will maintain my 25 over here, and I'll bring the 18 to this side. Let me maintain the x over here with the negative. So I'll have my negative 15x over here. I'll bring the 42x to the left hand side. It will become positive 42x, and that will be less than 18. Then I'll send the 25 to the right hand side. It will become negative 25. All right, so over here I now have 42 minus 15. That will give me 27x, and this will be less than, I have 18 minus 25. That will give me minus 7. So from here I divide both sides by 27. So my value of x will be less than negative 7 on 27. And if I look through my possible options, I can see that I am getting option A as the answer. Alvin got option B as the answer. So let me look at my answer guide to see if I'm right or I'm wrong. So we have 1 over 3. Okay, so that is question 99. And yes, question 99, the answer is option A. So Alvin, where did you get the sign wrong? Was it at this place? Was it at this point? Because the answer is supposed to be option A. And the only thing you had wrong was the sign. Okay. All right, Aztec, I'm fine. How are you too? It's good to have you join the stream. It's really amazing. All right, so Alvin, I'm sure you got a sign wrong along maybe one of these steps, but now you know how we did it and how we got the final answer to be this. Are we okay? Brilliant. Now from here, let's move on to a very interesting question that I think is going to juggle people's mind. So I have here, this is a subjective question with no objectives, no possible options. So we have find three consecutive odd integers such that the sum of the last two is 15 less than 5 times the first. Okay, so this is the problem that we have. Okay, so Alvin is saying, I thought we had to flip the sign when we divide the negative. Yes, it is true, but it is only true when you have your x on the left hand side and then the other one on the right hand side. Are you okay? So see, over here you can see that even from the question, the x is turning, the sign is turning it back towards the x. Are you okay? So inequality is a little bit tricky. So always try to maintain your x on the left hand side, and then any other thing, move it to the right hand side. So then when you divide through by negative, you can flip the sign. But when you move the x to the right hand side, you have to change the sign. It's crazy, but yeah. All right. So yes, this is the next question we have. Find three consecutive odd integers such that the sum of the last two is 15 less than 5 times the first. So this is the question we have. All right, so guys, this is the question. This question is a little bit tricky, but I'm sure we can solve it. So we have to find 3 consecutive odd integers. 3 consecutive odd integers such that the sum of the last 2 is 15 less than 5 times the first. So here we are looking for 3 integers and they have to be odd integers. Okay, the answer may be 1, 3, and 5. Okay, Alvin is saying 7, 9, and 11. Okay. Alvin, don't do that. Don't do that. You got the answer way too quickly. Why? All right, guys. So let's have a look at the solution to this problem. So let's just say that the first, let's just say the first odd number, okay, or the odd integer, the first odd integer is x. Okay, so if the first one is x, then it means the second odd integer, okay, will be, because they are consecutive, it means they are following each other. When it is 1, when the first one is 1, then the next one is 3, then the following one is 5. So between consecutive integers, the difference is 2. So if this is x, if I want to get the next odd integer, I have to add 2 to it. So here will become x plus 2. Okay, so the third odd integer in this particular case will be this x plus 2 again. So that will become x plus 4. Are we okay? So Aztec is saying -3, -1, and 1. Okay, let's have a look at it. Are you okay? All right, so these are our integers, the first one, the second one, and then the third one. Are we okay? Now the question is saying that the sum of the last 2 is 15 less than 5 times the first one. So the sum of the last 2, so it means when we add these 2, the second and third, when we add them, x plus 2 plus x plus 4, the sum of the last 2, this one, this is that, the sum of the last 2 is 15 less than, okay, 5 times the first. That means 15 less than 5 times the first. 5 times the first is 5x. Okay, 15 less than that means minus 15. Are we okay? So this is going to be the expression that we have. So the equation we have is x plus 2 plus x plus 4 is equal to 5x minus 15. All right, Aztec is saying no. Wait, okay, Aztec, what do you have for me? Let me see. Let me see where I'm going wrong. But I hope how I represented my integers as x, x plus 2, and x plus 4 makes sense to you. All right, so Aztec is saying that he is confused, so let's help. All right, so let's look at it again. So what I'm saying is that, for example, if let's use these 3 integers. Consecutive integers means they are integers that follow each other. So Aztec is saying I took them x minus 2. Yes, if you use that as well, it's not bad. Okay, from the point I am looking at it, it's not bad because that also makes sense. Are we okay? But then again, let's solve and then solve yours using this as well and see. Are we okay? So Aztec, we'll get back to you. So you are using x minus 2, and then x plus 2. Obviously, it means that, let me rewrite this. What it means is that for yours, we will have x minus 2 first, then x plus 2. I don't think you should get it wrong. Are you okay? So we'll look at it. So let's look at the first one that we are doing. So I'm saying that the sum of the last two, and this is the last two is x plus 2 plus x plus 4. Are we okay? And they are saying it is 15 less than 5 times the first. I'm saying 15 less than 5 times the first means 5 times the first is 5x minus 15. So this is 15 less than 5 times the x. Are we okay? So from here, we can proceed to solve. X plus x will give me 2x. 2 plus 4 will give me 6. This is equal to 5x minus 15. So from here, I'll send the 2x to the other side. So I'll have 6 plus 15 here. I'll have 6 plus 15 here. And that will be equal to 5x minus 2x over here. So this will give me 21 is equal to, this is 3x. So I divide both sides by 3. I am going to get my value of x to be 7. Are you okay? So from here, it means that my x is 7. My second integer, which is x plus 2, is 7 plus 2, which is 9. Are we okay? And then the third one will be 7 plus 4, which is 11. Are we okay? So this is based on our calculation, how I attempted it in this way. And I'm saying that from the way I am looking at it, your method might not really be wrong. Are we okay? So let's have a look at that as well. Because the way you express the consecutive integers, it does make sense to me. But mass is mass. Let's have a look at it. So if I'm using yours, it means that we have x minus 2. The sum of the last two in this case, will be these two guys, x and then x plus 2. So it means x plus 2 is going to be equal to, they are saying 15 less than 5 times the first. Your first in this case is x minus 2. So it will be 15 multiplied by x minus 2. There is 15. This is 5 times the first. Sorry. So this will be 5 times the first. 5 times the first minus 15. Are you okay? So this is how your expression should look like. Aztec. This is how your expression should look like. The last two is x plus 2, and that is equal to 5 times the first is 5 into bracket x minus 2 for you, then minus 15. So from here we'll have 2x plus 2 is equal to, here we'll have 5x, 5 multiplied by minus 2, this will give me minus 10, then minus 15. Are we okay? So we have here 2x. I'll send the negative 5 over here, so it will become minus 5x. This will be equal to, this one will give me negative 25, then minus over here 2. Are we okay? So here from this point of view, my x here will give me 2x minus 3 minus 5x will give me 3x, negative 3x, and this will be equal to, this one will give me negative 27. See, Aztec, you are not wrong, you are right. Just that the way you expressed it is what gave you the wrong answer. You are also right. Are you okay? The way you gave the 3 odd integers, this is also right. Because look at what I'm solving. I can already tell that I'm going to get the same answer. Because if I divide here by negative 3, my value of x is going to be 27 divided by 3. That is going to give me 9. So in your case, your x will be 9. So the x is 9. Then the x minus 2 will be 9 minus 2 over here. Then the x plus 2 here will be 9 plus 2 over here. So you will get 9 minus 2 is 7. Okay, then you have 9. Then 9 plus 2 is 11. So regardless of how you do it, you are still going to get the same answer. So where you are getting it wrong is the 15 less than 5 times the first. This side is where you are getting it wrong. Okay, so it is, you express it in this way. Let me use green. This is where you are getting it wrong at. So you are saying, oh, I get it. I was doing it without paper and pen, did not add 2 to the 25 and was coming with an answer as, oh, okay, so I get it now. So yes, whether you use x plus 2, x plus 4, or you use x minus 2, x, or x plus 2, you are still going to get the same answer. Just that, know how you are going to frame the equation, how you are going to derive the equation, okay, and then solve it as we have seen over here. Okay, once you get the equation right, you don't have any problem. All right, awesome. That is very interesting. That is very engaging. I love the fact that you came from a different point of view of expressing the consecutive odd integers, but at the same, we all got the same answer, and that is what mathematics is all about. Mathematics is always truthful. All right, so the next one, let's have a look at this problem. Like I said, these are subjective questions, so there are no multiple choice answers. So we have to solve the inequality. 1 over 3x minus 1 over 5 into bracket 2 plus x greater or equal to x plus 7 over 3. All right, so this is the question we have. Please, let's have a look at the solution. All right, so Aztec is saying, Sam, I'll be heading out now. I'm sorry I couldn't stay longer. Oh, Aztec, it was a pleasure having you join. I really, really appreciate that. And you gave some vibe to the stream, even though you just stayed a little bit shorter with us. I know you are a very busy man and you have work to do. So I appreciate you joining always. Are you okay? All right. So I'll see you in the next stream. That is tomorrow. See you tomorrow. Hopefully. All right. So, and anyone with an answer for this? So we have to solve the inequality 1 over 3x minus 1 over 5 into bracket 2 plus x bracket close greater or equal to x plus 7 over 3. That is the next question that we have. Anyone to give it a try? So I'm sure Alvin is seriously solving the problem. Okay. Sadly, Colina did not join today. Okay. So guys, viewers, please, let's work on this problem and give me the answer in the live chat. Okay, so whilst we are waiting for the answer, let me rewrite the question really well, boldly, so that people can see. We have 1 over 3x minus 1 over 5 into brackets 2 plus x greater or equal to x plus 7 over 3. All right, so this is what we have. I'm sure Alvin is solving, but I'll start so that he'll give the answer as we go. All right, so over here I have some. All right, so Alvin is saying Alvin has x is less or equal to minus 41 on 13. Alvin, you are right. That is indeed the answer. So let's have a look at it. All right, so over here I have my fractions in this inequality. I can see that I have 3, 5, and 3 as the denominators. So the LCM here between 3 and 5 is obviously 15. Are we okay? So from here we have the 15 multiplied by 1 over 3x, then minus 15 multiplied by 1 over 5 into bracket 2 plus x. Then we have the 15 multiplied by x, that will give us 15x, plus 15 multiplied by 7 over 3. So from here, 3 will go into 15 5 times. 5 multiplied by 1 will give me 5. So I'll have 5x here, minus 5 will go into 15 3 times. 3 multiplied by 1 is 3. So I'll have 3 here into bracket 2 plus x. This is greater or equal to. Yes, Alvin, I've seen it. I've seen it. You are saying x is less or equal to negative 41 on 13. I've seen it. Are you okay? And I'm saying yes, you are right. That is indeed the answer. Are we okay? So we are just looking at it. So over here, I have 15x, but the 3 here will go into 15 5 times. 5 multiplied by 7 will give us 35. So we proceed from there. So this is plus 35. So I'll expand this bracket. So I have here 5x minus 3 multiplied by 2. This is going to give us 6. The negative 3 multiplied by x will give us negative 3x. Okay, then greater or equal to, I have my 15x here plus 35. So from here, I have here 5x minus 3x. It will give me 2x. Then I'll bring the 15x over 15x. That will give us negative 13x greater or equal to 35 plus 6. That will give us 41. So I have here 41. So over here, I divide both sides by negative 13. Negative 13. This will cancel this. So the value of x here, because we divided 2 by negative, the sign will change from less or equal to greater or equal to negative 41 on 13. So this becomes our answer, as rightly said by Alvin in the live chat. So Alvin, kudos to you. You are getting every question right. It is amazing. Splendid. Splendid. All right. So let's have a look at another question. The stream has been an hour so far. Okay. Let's have a look at another question. So over here, you have to find the value of x in the equation. Find the value of x in the equation. We have here 3x minus 1 over 6 minus 2x minus 1 over 3 is equal to 1 over 4. All right, so this is the next question we have. Let's find the value of x. So we have to find the value of x in the equation 3x minus 1 all over 6 minus 2x minus 1 all over 3 is equal to 1 over 4. That is our problem for today. Let's give an answer. And then from there, I will have one word problem for us. And then we can end today's stream here. Okay. Guys, anyone with the answer? Alvin is saying 3 over 2. So we have 3x minus 1 over 6 minus 2x minus 1 over 3 is equal to 1 over 4. Alvin is saying x is equal to 3 over 2. Let's have a look at it. Let's have a look at it. All right. So solution. So we have here 3x minus 1 over 6 minus 2x minus 1 over 3 is equal to 1 over 4. So the LCM between 6, 3, and 4 is 12. So I'll multiply 2 by 12. So I have here 12 multiplied by 3x minus 1 on 6 minus 12 multiplied by 2x minus 1 over 3 is equal to 12 multiplied by 1 over 4. So from here, the 6 here will go into the 12 2 times. So we'll have that 2 multiplying 3x minus 1, then minus the 3 here will go into the 12 4 times. That 4 will now multiply 2x minus 1, and that will be equal to the 4 here will go into the 12 3 times. That 3 multiplied by 1 will still give us 3. So here I will expand my brackets. Just a minute. Okay. I will expand my brackets. So 2 multiplied by 3x, that will give me 6x. 2 multiplied by 1, this will give me negative 2. Then I come here, negative 4 multiplied by 2x, that will give me negative 8x. Then negative 4 multiplied by negative 1, this will give me positive 4, and this is equal to 3. So from here, I have 6x minus 8x. So the two of them, so I have here 6x minus 8x. That will give me negative 2x. Then I have negative 2 here plus 4. That will give me positive 2, and this is equal to 3 over here. So I have here negative 2x is equal to, here will become 3 minus 2. So I have negative 2x over here to be equal to 3 minus 2 is 1. Oh, okay. Yes, you said your network was poor. But I hope you can see the answers on the screen. I hope you can see the answers on the screen. Are we okay? All right. So from here, we divide both sides by negative 2, negative 2. So the value of x will be equal to negative 1 over 2. This is negative 2. Are you okay? Yeah, so the answer is supposed to be negative 1 over 2. That is what I have here as a solution in the book I'm using. That is what I also obtained when I solved and that is a little bit different from what you have given me. So yes, the answer is supposed to be negative 1 over 2. Are you okay? All right. So let's have a look at a word problem question, and then we can proceed to end the stream. Here we have a t-shirt. Right. I'm glad you've seen your mistake. I'm glad you've seen your mistake. That is good. That is good. Okay. All right. So let's proceed. We have here a t-shirt costs 5 times as much as a singlet. For 800 Ghana cedis, a trader can buy 32 more singlets than t-shirts. How much does a t-shirt cost? All right, so this is the last question we have for tonight's stream. So it's a word problem. So we have a t-shirt costs 5 times as much as a singlet. For 800 cedis, or you can say $800, 800 shillings, 800 pounds, 800 whatever. So for 800 cedis, a trader can buy 32 more singlets than t-shirts. How much does a t-shirt cost? Are we okay? So this is the problem we have for tonight. Let's give it a go, please. Let's not leave Alvin alone to be answering the questions. We have quite a number of people watching the stream. Please, let's try our hands on the problem. By trying, you understand and you appreciate mathematics even more. Don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and also share with friends and colleagues that you think will find the stream very helpful, because we do the stream every single day from Mondays to Fridays at 7 p.m. GMT, and on Saturdays and Sundays at 2 p.m. GMT. All right. So Alvin is seriously formulating an equation to try to solve this beautiful problem. Okay. So let's see what Alvin will get for us. A t-shirt costs 5 times as much as a singlet. For 800 cedis, a trader can buy 32 more singlets than t-shirts. How much does a t-shirt cost? Are we okay? So that is the problem that we have. Let's give it a go. So we have someone joining. Please clarify your question. You are asking what happened in there. We are solving maths. We are solving mathematics. That is what is happening. Oh, okay. You are Turkish. Okay, that's awesome. Shout out to the people of Turkey. Right, great. I'm glad you love math. Please, we have some question on the board. Please try your hands on it. Are we okay? Try your hands on it and let's see what you will get. And we do the live stream every day at 7 p.m. GMT. So yes, at the end of the stream, since you are with us, at the end of the stream, I will give you the time that we'll do the stream so that you join tomorrow. I would love to see you join tomorrow. Are you okay? Your name, I don't want to pronounce it and mention it bad, but I think I say Gul or I say Gal. So I'll call you Icy. Yes, that is the short version I'll give you. I'll call you Icy. So Icy from Turkey, right? She's I don't know whether you are he or she, but Icy is trying the problem. Awesome. All right, so Alvin is saying the t-shirt cost 100 cedis. Okay, so let's give her Icy some 2 minutes to finish up. Alvin is saying 100 cedis. Okay, Icy is a female, so let's give her 2 minutes so that she can solve the problem. Okay, yeah, so Alvin is saying 100 cedis for the t-shirt. Awesome. Alvin, thanks. Okay, so let's start. Icy, please, you can continue solving, but I'll also try, and then I believe you give your answer before I give mine. Are we okay? All right, very good. So here, let's write down the solution to the problem. So we have here, okay, Icy is saying she couldn't solve the problem. No problem. We'll look at it together. So we are saying that a t-shirt costs 5 times as much as a singlet. A t-shirt costs 5 times as much as a singlet. So it means the t-shirt is 5 times more expensive than a singlet. Are you okay? So let the cost of singlet, let the cost of a singlet, so one singlet, let the cost be X. Are you okay? So the cost of one singlet is X. Now we know that the t-shirts are 5 times more expensive than, or they cost 5 times more than one singlet. So the cost of a t-shirt in this case is going to be 5x. So 5 times the value of that of the singlet. Are we okay? So let the cost, okay. Now that is for the first sentence. Now the second one is saying for 800 cedis, a trader can buy 32 more singlets than t-shirt. Now 32 more singlets than t-shirt will be what? Now over here, when we want to find the number of singlets that the person bought, so the number of singlets, are you okay? The number of singlets in this case, we've been given the money to be 800. So the number of singlets that can be bought will be 800 divided by X. Okay, this will give us the potential number of singlets that can be bought. Now, the number of t-shirts that can be bought, so the number of t-shirts in this case will be the exact same thing. This time around, it will be 800 over 5x. Are we okay? So, I hope up until this point you understand. Are we okay? Now, the question, the latter part is saying you can buy 32 more singlets. Are you okay? 32 more singlets. So it means the price of singlets plus 32. The number of singlets you can buy plus 32 will be equal to that of the t-shirt. Are we okay? So for here we have the number of singlets is 800 over x. So we are saying you can buy 32 more singlets than t-shirts. So this will be equal to the t-shirts plus 32. So this will be 800 over 5x plus 32. Are we okay? So you can buy 32 more singlets than t-shirts. Are we okay? So we have 32 more plus t-shirts. Okay, so 32 plus the value of t-shirt will be equal to that of the singlet. So this is the expression that we have. From here you just solve for your value of x. Are we okay? So what I'll do is that from here I'll multiply through by x. So I'll multiply through by x. So I'll have here x multiplied by 800 over x will be equal to x multiplied by 800 over 5x plus 32 multiplied by x. That will give us 32x. This will cancel this. So I'll have here 800 is equal to, the x will cancel one of the x over here at the bottom. So I'll have 800 over 4x, 800 over 4x plus 32x. Are we okay? So from here, I can cross multiply over here. So I'll have 4x multiplied by 800 is equal to 800 plus 32x. So I hope I'm doing this right. No. So apologies. So from here, let's redo that. So we have this 4x at the bottom over here. So we, from here, I think the best thing I'll do here, I have over 1 over here. I'll move this guy to this side of the equation. So what I will have is, let me erase this side. What I will have over here is 800 over 1 minus 800 over 4x is equal to 32x. So over here, my LCM here will be 4x. So 1 will go into 4x times. So I'll have here 800 multiplied by 4x minus this will go here once. So here will become 800. And this is equal to 32x. So here you just have the 4 multiplying this. Now this will give us 100 series for a t-shirt. Yes, please, I agree. Okay, so to avoid having so much that I'm getting over here. Oh, guys, I think I made a very silly mistake. So guys, let's redo this. So mind you, we have the equation we had was 800 over x is equal to 800 over 5x plus 32. Are we okay? So we multiply through by x. So we'll have x multiplied by 800 over x is equal to x here multiplied by 800 over 5x plus 32 multiplied by x. That will give us 32x. So the x here will cancel the x at the bottom. This one will also cancel the one over here. So from here, I will get 800 is equal to, over here, I will now have 800 divided by 5 plus 32x. Are we okay? So this will now be equal to 800 is equal to 800 divided by 5 will give me 160. So I'll have 160 here plus 32x. So I'll send the 160 to the other side. So I have here 800 minus 160 is equal to 32x. So 800 minus 160, that will give me 640. is equal to 32x. So I'll divide both sides by 32 by 32. So the value of x will give me, here will go here 2 times, so this will give me 20. Are you okay? Now don't forget that we said that the cost of one singlet, a singlet, is equal to x, and then a t-shirt is 5x. Don't forget, this is the condition we gave earlier on. So the question said we should find the cost of the t-shirt. Are you okay? So the t-shirt we know is equal to 5x, and then our x here is 20. So we have 5 multiplied by 20, and that will give us 100. So we just add the money sign to it, so that will give us 100 Ghana cedis. So yes, the correct answer is 100 Ghana cedis, as rightly said by Alvin in the live chat. All right, awesome. I say, please, I hope you get how we got the 100 Ghana cedis, or the 100 as the answer. I say, if you are still with us, I hope you got how we got 100 as the answer. Okay, it seems I say is not here. Maybe she fall out. All right. So Alvin, thank you so much. Thank you so much for always joining and always being with me. And then I say thank you for also joining and interacting with me. I hope you are able to learn something from this. Isaac, you joined earlier on. I really appreciate you for all your comments. And then sadly, Colina could not join us today, so that is so sad. But before you guys joined, Lo-Fi Music or Paul from Spain was engaging with me until the very end. Okay, so that is amazing. So yes, guys, do you have any question, any comment, any suggestion for me? If you have, please leave it in the live chat so that I will take note of that. So any comments, any suggestion, any way you think I could make the stream even more engaging and more interactive, just let me know and I will do that. Okay, I will make plans for that. All right, so Alvin is saying, thank you, sir. Today I learned a lot. All right, Alvin, you are welcome. It's my pleasure. It's my pleasure. I just wished Icy was here throughout. Maybe she had a network issue. Are you okay? But then again, thank you guys so much for always sticking around. Don't forget that this is Shacking Hour, the time where we come together to learn, solve past questions, engage, and then connect with people all across the world. My name is Samuel from Ghana. And then, like I said, I say, who just joined a while ago, said she was from Turkey. So most of the time during the stream, we have people from different countries joining the stream. We have people from the US, from India. We even had one from Kazakhstan, US, UK, India, Ghana, Nigeria, Zambia. A lot of people are joining the stream. So what I normally do is that at the end of every stream, I give my email out so that those of you who are interested in connecting with other students that join the stream, you can join my WhatsApp group. Are you okay? So if that is something you are interested in, the name of the channel that is appearing at the top is My Science Tutorials. So just send me an email at mysciencetutorials@gmail.com, and then I will reply to you and send you the link of the WhatsApp group. All right, Alvin is saying, but do you have a lesson on binomial probability and calculus and binomial theorem on your channel SHS level? Yes, Alvin, I do. So if you go to my playlist right now, or if you go to my the main page and you search for binomial theorem, you'll get, I have a full tutorial video on calculus, from the limits, how to find the limits, how to differentiate, impartial differentiation. Then we look at integration, everything, application of integration and differentiation, all are there on the channel. Please, you don't have anything to worry about. For binomial theorem, those were one of the oldest things I did. So binomial theorem, we have it over there. Okay, binomial probability, I'm not too sure I've done any tutorial on binomial probability yet, but as for calculus and binomial theorem, yes, I have So yeah, so please, Alvin, go to the channel. You see the videos over there. If you can just give me a minute, I can show them to you on the channel itself. Just give me a minute. Let me try to show it to you where it is on the channel, so that you can just go ahead and go and have a look at it. So just bear with me for like a minute or two. Let me visit the channel, and let me share my screen so that you can see. So okay, so let me try and see if I can project my screen. Just a minute. So display capture, Windows new, Chrome. Okay. All right. So I think you can see my screen right now. So let me use it to cover. No, let me use it to cover here. Okay. So yes, as you can see, once you visit the channel, my science tutorials, you can come to our videos. Okay, we have a lot of videos on PowerPoint, mathematics, physics, biology, and chemistry. But you can use the search bar over here, and then you can look for binomial theorem. So binomial, yes, binomial, and I'm sure you should get it. Yes. So as you can see, I have a video here popping up on binomial. I have binomial expansion and the Pascal triangle, full tutorial. So how to use the Pascal triangle is there. The binomial expansion using the Pascal triangle. Expansion using the binomial theorem itself. It's about 20 minutes video on that. Then binomial theorem, finding the coefficient of binomials, is also there. Then we have the WAEC past questions and stuff also there. So for calculus, you can just also search. So you can just search calculus. Okay. So once you search for calculus on the page, you can see this is a playlist on calculus. I have 14 videos in that one playlist. Then I have the differentiation. When we talk about differentiation, the full tutorial, I have it over there. That is 1 hour, 12-minute video. And then many more. We have implicit differentiation, first order linear differential equation, finding the second derivative using implicit differentiation, the complete integration tutorial. You have a whole lot. So once you go to the playlist, just click on the playlist, the calculus playlist, and then you see all the videos that I have. Okay, so as you can see here, I have all right, so I have everything that you are asking for over there. Right, so you are saying thank you, but maybe I will be expecting an emails video on binomial probability. No problem, no problem. So just give me some few days. I'm trying to blend the work and the live stream and stuff, but I'll get to the binomial probability tutorial video promptly. So let me quickly note that. So binomial probability. Okay, so yes. So for binomial probability, I'll work on that for you. So guys, any other thing? Any other thing? So for those of you who are not aware, I have a membership program, and just for as little as $0.99 a month, you have exclusive access to my membership videos. Now, for the membership videos, I have some powerful PowerPoint masterclass videos over there. So that is, if you want, you can have you can go and then join the membership program. But on the main channel as well, I also have free videos on PowerPoint as well. Now, if you go to the playlist, you go to our playlist, we have a introduction to PowerPoint for beginners. It's also on the playlist over there. You can go and then watch it for free. A Shacking Hour, which is the live stream I'm doing, also it's also there. We have A level and AS level chemistry also there. We have the practicals and experiment that we conduct. It's also there. We have lessons on magnetic circuit. This is physics. We have the WAEC integrated past questions, integrated science past questions. We have it there. We have Excel tutorials there, PowerPoint tutorials, number bases, inorganic chemistry, WAEC physics past questions, forces, pressure, unit conversion, biology past question, elective maths past question, chemistry past question, core mathematics past question, so many other things. Okay, coordinate geometry, you'll see it there. Organic chemistry, you'll see it there. When you want biology class in sector, you'll see it there. Algebra, you'll see it there. We have 61 questions over there. I hope I will also find nuclear physics and organic chemistry tutorials. You will find everything there. Nuclear physics, you will find it. Just go to the physics playlist, you will find the nuclear physics there. Are you okay? So let me go back. So we have AC series AC circuit. You have it over there. Geometric construction, how to do construction. We also have tutorials on construction over here. Matrices, elective maths. Matrices 2x2, 3x3, 3x2 matrix. All of them are there. Maths for chemists. This is first linear, some university stuff. Wave motion, integration, heat energy, colligative property in thermodynamics, calculus, direct currents, reactions of alkenes, trigonometry, logic tutorials, alternating current, chemistry, biology, mathematics, and physics. So yes, for the nuclear physics, if you go to the physics playlist, you see them over there. I have some videos on nuclear physics over there as well. Are you okay? So anything you can ever think of is on the channel. But should you go and use the search bar, okay, the tab over here where the home, videos, short, live, and everything is, if you use the search icon there and you search for a particular topic that you don't find, just click any of the videos, leave a comment in the comment section of any of the videos which the topic that you want me to treat, and I will do that for you. Are we okay? All right, so guys, that is it for that. So thank you so much. Thank you so much for joining the stream, and thank you so much for engaging with me up until this point. And thank you so much for also waiting behind to see what my channel has to offer. Now, if you want exclusive access, you want to have one-on-one sessions with me and learn with me, you can also do that. Just reach out to me on my sciencetutorials@gmail.com and we can have one-on-one sessions. Or if you want to support my channel in the smallest possible way, like I said, just for a minimum amount of $0.99, less than $1, you can join my membership program and then support me wherever you are watching from. So thank you so much. Alvin is saying you are amazing, sir. Thank you for your patience and time and knowledge. May God bless you. Alvin, you are welcome. Are you okay? You're welcome. It brings me joy to have students enjoy what I do. All right. So time's up and good night. Yes, good night, Alvin, and I'll see you tomorrow. And good night to our faithful viewers who are also watching. So good night, guys, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Enjoy the background music.
Ho, hey, hey, it's time to learn. Grab your books, it's your turn. Numbers, dance, and questions, power, get ready. It's Sharking Hour.
In the world of learning, bright and new, we solve with joy, me and you. Maths and science, we dive so deep. Dreams to chase and goals to keep.
No fear of sums, no time to hide. Let's take this knowledge for a ride. When the questions start
to know.
Science sparks and numbers flower. Together we rise. Sharky Hour. Let's think, explore. Every mind's a treasure to adore. Count, create, and never cower. Stay sharp. It's Sharky Hour. Sharking. Learning strong, that's who we'll be. Hands up high, knowledge power. We love learning. Sharky Hour. Ho, hey, hey! It's time to learn. Grab your books, it's your turn. Numbers, dance, and questions power. Get ready. It's Sharky Hour.
In the world of learning bright and new, we solve with joy, me and you. Maths and science, we dive so deep. Dreams to chase and goals to keep.
No fear of sums, no time to hide. Let's take this knowledge for a ride. When the questions start to shower, stand tall. It's Sharky Hour. Let's think, explore. Every question opens a door. Count, calculate, use your brain power. Show your skills, it's Sharky Hour. Let's think, explore. Every question opens a door. Count, calculate, use your brain power. Show your skills, it's Sharky Hour. Learning's fun when we work as a team, building big ideas from a dream. From fractions, shapes to chemistry light, we shine like stars so bright.
We don't give up, we just try again. Every problem makes us train our brain. From 1 to 100, feel the power, you're amazing.
It's Sharky Hour. Step by step we learn and grow.
There's so much more we'll get to know.
Science sparks and numbers flower. Together we rise. Sharky Hour.